Hey honeys, welcome to my channel. And today's vlog, I am about to go with my dad and we are about to go on this trail. So we're just gonna walk and get a little workout in, and I'm gonna track it on my Nike app. Okay, so I'm back from the trail. Very windy, but we pushed through, got it done. I went to Trader Joe's because I needed some flowers. So I'm working on some new content for Trini Craftings. It's gonna be home decor. Of course, Easter's coming up, so I wanted to have some cute items to show. I got some more vase projects that I've been working on, and then also some centerpieces as well. So that's gonna look really cute. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys right quick. I have a pearl vase over here that I made about a year ago, but it's so cute. Of course, I was like, I have to share this vase. I have to show this because this is gonna be one of the items we probably offer on Trini Crafting soon. And then also I have an Easter floral arrangement that I did that has Easter eggs in it. So I think it's really cute. I'm just gonna show you guys. So I've been studying real estate, so don't mind me with this right here, but this is the vase right here. I feel like it's so cute, guys. I love pearls. So yeah, it's cute, and the arrangement is nice as well. You can see I'm already starting to set up for Easter. Okay, so this is the vase that I made, the Dollar Tree cups, and I added some beads and I spray painted it gold. So I feel like it came out really cute. And this is the arrangement, and I'm actually still playing around with this one, so it's not all the way done. But yeah, it's cute. It's giving Easter. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready. I just want to show you guys real quick. And yeah, I love these.
You know, most of the time when you're your friends are getting to know each other for the first time. In the space, you know what I mean? Are you okay? She jumped like. When I had to color expression. So you need to get yourself. Mine. What is your color? That's why you was right. You're doing everything except for making space. But I mean, I know you ain't your clothes. Still, I'll try. I know the judge have to say, that's your color, we got your makeup color. Yellow. You just don't want to be true. I'm truthful. I want her to be my cousin. You know you want me, I'm sorry. I got the same color straight through, but she likes me. I'm not light skinned. Right. You definitely lighter than my mom. Because we like, I didn't have my skin color. They just, yeah, it was real thin.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around. Yeah. Your elbows off the table. You make everything feel fine. Worry about those times. I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype. Throw that to the side, yo. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yo. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key.
Y'all watch church today?
I went to church.
Hey. Okay.
We covered. Ready now?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celia. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Every time, yeah, you come around, yeah, you ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah, it's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.